Welcome back to Nailed It! First, I want to start with saying I'm so sorry that I was gone for 2 weeks, but I am back, okay guys? I am back. I got this package, as you guys can see here. It is not open, from ModelOnes. They sent me, I'm going to put like a little screenshot here, somewhere on here. They sent me, pause the video. Sorry guys, I didn't put that screenshot up because it had my address on there. So, yep, some goodies, and I told them to just send me whatever they wanted to send me. So that's why my nails are not done right now. I want to use the contents inside to create a set. So let's open this up and see what they sent us. Alright you guys, so as you can see, the box is open. I'm so excited. Sorry, I'm so dramatic all the freaking time. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. I think this is like the first official unboxing I've ever done on my channel. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, we got a stamping plate. Yes, let me move you guys down more. Do you guys see the stamping plate? That's cute. Okay. And we got some studs here. Oh my god, those are pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now I'm like extra excited. I thought they were just sending me nail polish. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this? Alright, let's see. This says top and base, so I'm guessing that's a top and base coat. Can I want to stop for 1 second. Look how nice their packaging is. Like, this is nice. It's pretty. Okay, anyway, let's open this up. Oh my goodness, their bottles are so cute. Look how adorable that is. Okay, so this one's base and this one's top. It says it on the bottom there, if you guys can see that. But look, that is so cute. I like the wood. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay. And I'm trying to think, like, okay, let's just do it. Let's just open the colors. Okay, so this is just like a slide. It's not even a box. I don't know why I'm being difficult right now. This is so pretty though. Look at that. The hollow on there. It's really gorgeous. Alright. This is one of the gel colors we got. And here's the color right there. So it's like a dark blue. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see what else we got. See, like, you can just slide that off. You don't have to open it like I did this one. I just love their packaging. Their packaging is really nice. And I have never used this brand before, you guys, but I know my sister has, and I think she likes it. I don't know. I don't think I've asked her. Sister, comment down below if you like this brand. And this one is like a reddish color right there. Okay. And the last one, I think this is the last color. Cannot open these boxes, man. Ooh, they gave me a purple. Oh my god. Purple. Pretty. Okay. Let's see what's in this box. You guys, they gave me like a little lamp. How did I not even notice that? That's really cool. Let's take this out of here. See what it looks like. Alright. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. This is like so perfect for traveling. If I were like going over my sister's house to do her nails or something, even though she has a lamp now, which I'm very proud of her, I can just like take this with me. Look how small this is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I do not want to break one of my nails, so I probably am not going to open one of this because my nails aren't strong enough right now. So I was going to build them up. But you guys get the point. Look at how cute this lamp is. Oh my god, that is so freaking adorable. And it comes with its own cable and stuff. Super cute. Next, it says Pro Plates stamping, nail art stamping kit. So, oh my goodness, they gave me a nail art stamping kit. I am here for it. Okay, I'm done trying to open these boxes nicely, so I'm about to like rip this box apart because I don't want to break one of my nails. There we go. Alright, so in their Pro Plates nail art stamping kit, you get a stamper and a scraper, and I love that their stamper is clear. That is a very big plus. I will definitely use that because I love clear stamping plates. Oh my gosh, and they gave me some UV gel remover. Is that what that says? I think I like opened one. I think I like stabbed my scissors into one. Yeah, I did. Yeah, see, I stabbed my scissors into that. That wasn't the package, like that wasn't their fault. That was definitely my fault. But look at how many they gave me. That's a lot, dude. Like, that's a lot. So this is so that you can remove gel easily. Product has passed. Okay, that's cool. So if you want to like soak off your nail polish or something, I might give this to my sister because I don't have any use for them, but I just like to file mine off. And then you get a stamping plate. So I got another stamping plate here. This one's cute. It has some plaid on there, some chevron. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, we're gonna make a really cool set today. Let's see. And then here's the other stamping plate that they gave me as well. So that's pretty cool. So in all, I got a UV light, so you guys can see in the corner there, and all of these soak off things. I got 3 stamping polishes. I mean, not stamping polish, sorry, 3 gel polishes and a base and a top coat, and these really pretty diamonds. Like, look at that, those are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the more I look at them, the more I'm like, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. All right guys, let's create a set with this. First, I'm going to start with the ModelOnes base coat. I'm going to apply these on all my nails and then give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now it's time to decide which color I want to use. So this is that beautiful fiery red color. You guys know that I don't really care for reds, but I don't mind having it. And then the next color I got is it's like a dark blue color, and it's very beautiful. I do like this blue. Look at how beautiful that blue is. And then I got this purple color, which, spoiler alert, that's the one that I wind up using. You guys know that I am in love with purple, so I'm glad that they sent me this one. So we're going to start with this one. I will be applying these on all of my nails besides my pointer finger, and then I'll give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Once that first layer is cured, I'm going to go back in and use that same purple color, and then I'm going to do a second layer and cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with that top coat, and I'm going to apply this on all of my nails that I applied the purple on. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. The top coat did not leave a sticky layer. It cured to a tackless finish, but the color did a little bit. It wasn't tacky, it was just sticky, just like a little sticky. And then I'm going to be using the Pro Stamping Kit, and I am going to be taking some of my Bundle Monster polish and applying that to my pointer finger. You guys will see me mess up a couple of times, but that is just me. I'm bad at stamping, but I do have to say I don't really care for the scraper. I think it's a little bit too dense. I like it when it's like it has a little bit more flex to it. But that's just my personal preference when it comes to a scraper. But that's like the only negative thing that I didn't like that they sent me. I'd rather use my own scraper. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!